Hello, all, and welcome to the final critique of Brandon Manning's career at the University of Arkansas so far. Today, we will be looking at several different pieces of shit made by Brandon Manning these past few years. Let's start out mediocre. This is a toilet paper holder I made in my hand building class. Overall, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 14. I was told I had to sgraffito it to expose the red clay underneath it, and I proceeded to put cracks in it. What the fuck's that about? Let's move on to my first sculpture class. This is a bust of myself that I carved brain coming out of the skin. It looks like worms, and I can't remember why I put brain. It has something to do with the brain being everything about a body. 10 out of 20. Next, something I'm pretty proud of. A wood carving print from my one and only printmaking class, but when it came time to carve it out of wood, I forgot to flip the image, so now all of the words are backwards. Fuck me, 3 out of 6. Now a mug I made out of wedging porcelain with high fire stoneware. The spiraling effect was pretty sick, but the glaze fucked me over. 45 out of 90. Here's me in a panda costume handing out Snickers. I cannot remember why I was doing what I was doing, but rest assured it's not a MAGA hat. I did it in foundations. It's only on this video because I still think it's kind of funny. 1 out of 2. This is the first hand building project I completed. The form was really nice, and I think they look like a pair of Vans, but I couldn't understand the underglaze to them, and after the third fire, my professor just told me to get some acrylic paint and paint it that way. 6 out of 12. That was actually one of the 3 things I have displayed around my apartment because I still like them. Finally, my final from my first sculpture class. It's a smartphone casted out of aluminum with flip phones casted out of plaster, and it goes along the lines of how quick we are to forget what we have in the current day in 10 years. So the flip phones are going away, fucking dying or whatever. They live in a Vans shoebox underneath my bed, just like the wood carving print, and gets a 3 out of 6. Thank you for coming to the critique of Brandon Manning. And to close, here's a snippet of me walking down St. Peter's Basilica like a year and a half ago. Today we will be looking, if you look close enough, all of, feel good. I feel good. I knew that I would. Proud of a wood carving